Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package. I have opened it so we can get into it. Plus I had to see who it was from. I had an idea, but I had to make sure. All right, there's several things in here, and we are going to do this in parts. So let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's set that one aside. We'll set that one aside. We'll do 4 and 4. Let's go 1. Just go, that one looks pretty big. 2, 3, 4. We'll set these aside. We'll do those in the next video. All right, we'll do 2 videos. All right, so this is my order from GBFKE. It is like my second promotional order from them. Let's start with this bad boy because you already kind of saw that one, and I want to do this. I want to do this right away because I want to use it. Seems like everybody else has gotten one but me. This is one of those items that came out, and it came out in like 2 or 3 designs, and now that they're getting more popular, there's more and more designs coming out, right? Look at, I've always loved these trees. Always loved these trees. I got the pink one. I think there's a blue one and a green one. There's a multicolored one. All my goods must be inside. They are. All right. So here's all my stuff. And as you can tell, look, it's got this nice little, it's very nice. I really like this. I used to use these cubes at school all the time, and mine at school got a little torn up. I have a storage unit downstairs in my craft room that holds these. And so, yeah, look at them. Look at all the special drills on there. Beautiful. What is going on with my focus? Let's see. There we go. Beautiful. I just got done filming something else, so I think it's on a different focus. How pretty, right? So it comes with a little strip, which gives you all of your symbols. You can't lose that. I'm going to put it right back in here when I'm done. Keep it in there. It has a toolkit with some tweezers. These tweezers I have actually never tried to use. I do use tweezers when I do my special shaped drills. Look at my poor wax. He's 2 pieces of wax now. All right, so I'm not going to lose that. I'm going to put it right in here. Okay. I want to see the shapes. I want to see the shapes. Slivers? Are we going to have slivers? We might. People call them different things. I heard Brandy, she called them shards. I call them slivers. The little itty bitty bitty ones. All right, so we have a clear rhinestone. A very deep red rhinestone. That one's pretty. That's like a ruby red. Very pretty. Magenta. Here's just a black resin drill for the trunk and other things. Very light purple. Another purple. A gold faceted, a pretty pink marquee. Oh, nope, we don't have slivers. They're bigger than slivers. These are marquees, but they are bigger than the slivers. A silver, clear, and a pink. Very pretty. I have wanted to do these as paintings for a while, like do the whole set, you know, but I haven't. So here's my opportunity. I can do at least this one. Okay, you guys hang out there. Hang out there. Okay, so there's that, the cube. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go to this. This is a long, kind of interesting one. Oh, do I have to get my knife out? I found my Melly knife. I think I said that. It was over in the living room where I was opening a box. Imagine that. And then I left it there. Yeah. All right. Come on, little knife. Let's go. I don't want to cut them. I don't like cutting them because you can cut right into your canvas. I like to just slice through the plastic. Perfect. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? You know, sometimes I forget until I open them up. Ooh, this is a big one. Oh, I think I know what this is. It's a big one. It's a special drill. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. We got some creases here. Now, we're going to have to let that lay flat for a while to get those creases out of there. Yeah, it's got some good creases in it. All right. Same toolkit. Oh, different kind of tweezers. Black tweezers in the other one. Oh, look, this has a protective thing on it to keep it, look at that, keep it together. Here's our drills. Like I said, it's special drills. That's a hefty bag of drills. This painting's a little larger. All right. I have done one painting like this, and it was from another company, but I loved it. Oh, it's so wrinkly, you guys. It's not gonna wanna lay flat. And look at, it's like a little accordion. Doo, doo, doo. That's really got some deep creases. Anyhow, I'll show you what it is. It's a, I don't know what it is, a cat. I think it's a cat. Let's see if we can get it to lay a little flatter. If I can pull the plastic back and get some of these deep creases to kind of settle themselves down. Settle down. Settle down. I don't know. Doesn't want to. This one's really folded. That's the other half. All right. Nope. It just wants to. It's a little better. Let's see. I'm gonna. It's poured glue, so I can manhandle it a little bit and not worry about it. I'm actually gonna just roll it this way. Sorry, I'm taking so long with this, but you can't see it. If it doesn't lay down, you can't see it, right? So let's do this and see if that helps. If I could leave it this way for a little while, I could go to another one and come back, but... All right, come on. All right, let's try that. I think that's better. That is better. Okay, so there. Sorry for all that, but I want you to be able to see it. It's beautiful. The colors in this are just fantastic. Look at the reds and pinks and yellows and oranges. It's beautiful. So I think it's just a cat. I don't know what kind of cat it is, but I've seen a wolf like this, a fox. Of course, I did an owl like this with the frame around it. Now, yeah, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It has 13 different shapes or rhinestones included. I'm excited to see what it has. It's got some big ones up here. How pretty. Okay. At least we got it to lay flat enough you can see it. Yes. That one's either going to need to be at the bottom of a heavy pile of paintings, or it's going to need an iron. One of the two. All right. Here's what we got. I hope we got some cool stuff in here, like some special things. I'm hoping for ABs is what I'm hoping for. All right. Clear rhinestone. One red kind of rhinestone and another one. Are they the same? Yep, they're the same. Number 2. A goldy yellow. This beautiful blue. That's a gorgeous blue. That's going to be so pretty. Hope you can see it. It's gorgeous. Oh, well, this is interesting. I'm not certain what color this is supposed to be. You can clearly see there are golds and greens in there. And I don't know which one it's supposed to be. Huh. We'll have to figure that one out. It is number 5. Remember that 5. Oh, look, this one has golds. Okay, so what's the deal? Okay, we got gold in this one and gold in this one. My guess is gold was already here. So this should be green and this should be purple. And the golds have just traveled everywhere because look, they're here too. So this has got to be green. This has got to be purple. And this is a blue AB. Look, we still get a little bit of gold all the way through this whole strip, you guys. But there are 4 packets of the blue AB. That's gonna just outline everything. All right, we have those green faceted, we have orange faceted, clear faceted, purple faceted. Well, and we got lots and lots of golds. Well, at least we figured that out. A blue teardrop, orange teardrop, very pretty. Okay, this will be beautiful. Guess we're just gonna have to know that when we do this, That's the colors we're working with, not the gold. Gold had its own moment in the sun, in the spotlight. I have not bought a set of keychains in a long time. Last year around Christmas time, I was doing keychains after keychains after keychains, and I haven't done them in a while, so I figured it was time. Toolkit. And I saw these and I was like, yes, these are super cute. If you know anything about me and my family, we are musical. We are very musical. So we have us a guitar. All right, double-sided, a guitar. Yep, that's cute. We have us a treble clef. That's a treble clef. It's blurry. Should be pretty. We have us some 8th notes, 16th notes. Yeah, cool, right? Cool. Yeah, all musical stuff. And then here is the bag with the actual keychain part. Yep, cool. Awesome. Those are cute. You know, had to get those. My whole family is musical. All right, here's our drills. Come on, package. Where's our package? Opening. All right, we got separate packets, and then we got rhinestones here. Well, we have black resin. Okay, so there's black resin drills. Clear, purple. That is what I call a yellow. The other one was like a gold. This is like yellow, lemon yellow, and red. Cool. Awesome. Then we have some little bitty star-shaped ones. I've never had them that small before, the little stars. Those are little. I haven't had them that small. And then these big bad boys. I love these. These are beautiful. Look at all the iridescent color on that. Beautiful. So, I have a set of keychains. You know I'm going to have these done pretty soon. I'm going to have to give these as gifts to my family. And we got one more for this half of our unboxing. What it is, nobody knows. So far, everything's been rhinestones. I know I didn't order all rhinestones. No, this one's not rhinestones. This one's a full drill. Oh. Oh, tell me who you think of. When you see this painting, tell me who you think of. You can put it in the comments below. I'm not going to tell you. You put it in the comments below who this reminds you of. All right? Here is our drill kit. Same thing. Here are our drills. They are round. They are blue. Lots of blue. Yep, I'm not going to tell you. If you get it right, let's see. Here it is. Bam! Isn't it cute? It's Flipper and Mr. Flipper, Mrs. Flipper. I don't know. It's 2 dolphins. Isn't it cute? I love this one. It's so cute. So we have a legend on both sides, here and here. I'm not going to measure these because we know from experience that this is not going to be 30 by 40 drill area. 30 by 40 canvas, yes, but not the drill area. And I'm not going to measure today. It has 20 colors. Here are the symbols over here, and they have the DMC codes, as you can see. Nice. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Unusual for me, right? Unusual. But remember, in the comments, who does that remind you? Who comes to mind when you see that? I love these big, like, pink flowers. I don't know why they have flowers in the sea, but, you know, they do. All right. Oh, these are separate. Well, there we go. Beautiful. I love this color. Love this color. Now, there are no DMC codes on the packages, as you can tell. But number 11, if you go over here, number 11 is 775. Yeah. One of my favorite colors. Look at all the blues. So pretty. All right. More blue. Very, very light purple. Brown. Blue. Pink. I don't know what that is. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be something. It's just a schmear. Schmear. More blues. Dark blue. More light blue. The strip kind of ran out. Oh, it's like the printing of the white strip. That's what it is. Taupey browns. That's a pretty blue right there too. That one's gorgeous. Blue, gray, gray. That's dark purple, pink. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That's so cute. All right, so I'm pretty pleased with everything so far. The weird gold drills mixed in with everything's not a big deal. I mean, it happens. I've never seen it happen quite that bad before, but the gold just wanted to be a part of everybody, you know, just share its happiness with everybody down the strip. Anyhow, that's what we got. Bunch of special drills, and you know I love my special drills. I'm really excited to do the box, the tote box thingy there. That's not what I called it the first time, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna go because I have the rest of these to unpackage and show you. Don't forget, who's that remind you of? All right, thanks for liking, subscribing, becoming a member, commenting, watching a video. All of that stuff that you do is so important. I cannot stress it enough. I am honored to have you watching my stuff. Seriously. All right, I'm gonna go and make the next video. So you have a great day. Hopefully I'm gonna get done in time to go for a nice walk because it's a beautiful day. I hope you get out and enjoy the day a little bit too. See ya.